At Greenberg & Stone, we handle all types of medical malpractice claims. Damages in a medical malpractice claim range from past medical bills and lost wages, to future anticipated medical expenses and loss of earning capacity, to pain and suffering, mental anguish, disability, and loss of ability to enjoy life. One of the goals of any malpractice claim is to ensure that all the future needs of our client are met. In order to do that, we hire vocational rehabilitation experts and economists to project the economic cost of future damages. Medical malpractice is a very technical area of the law. Not only do you need to understand medicine and be able to communicate that medicine to a jury, but you also need to know the rules and the law in order to bring a successful claim. We at Greenberg & Stone know that law. We have over 50 years of combined experience in representing claimants in medical malpractice claims. We know how to handle these cases and get you the best result.